National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for north central Camden County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, east central Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Palmyra, or near Philadelphia, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Medford, Lumberton, Burlington, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Tabernacle, Shimone, Beverly, Pemberton, Wrightstown, Wissanoning, Randleywood, Cherry Hill Mall, Tacony, Marlton, and Leisure Town. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 5. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 33. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 36 and 49. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Camden.